Thank you for trusting CanadianVisa.org with your visa application. A dedicated case officer will be in contact with you within 48 hours to walk you through the following steps in the process. Step 1. Digital Visa Dashboard. You will receive login details to your Digital Visa Dashboard. Here you'll be able to get a complete overview of everything that's required for your visa application. This includes documents that you need to collect and upload, and forms that you'll need to download and fill out. You can easily submit queries on the dashboard and get feedback from the case officer assigned to you while tracking your visa application progress in real time. Step 2. Regular feedback and guidance. During the entire process, an immigration consultant will be in contact with you to guide you through the required steps of your selected visa program. Some visa programs are more complicated than others, but rest assured that you will have expert support every step of the way. Step 3. Visa application submission. Finally, one of our regulated Canadian immigration consultants will personally submit a complete and optimized application to Canadian authorities on your behalf. We'll keep you updated and notify you as soon as your application status is revealed.